Springwater Trail today. My camera equipment. Gonna enjoy some nature, hopefully see some wildlife, and enjoy this beautiful day. Depending on the time of day, if you look close, you can spot deer in maybe an hour or so on the way back. You spot them in this area a lot too. Let's play Huck Finn under this bridge. Let's stop and get a coffee, late day coffee. What's up, bud? Come on. In the pond. All right, you ready? Having a party. All right, ready? Come on. There you go. There you go. Get it. Get it. Cheers, mate. I wonder what kind of snake this is. All right, it's golden hour. Oh, look how beautiful this is. Today was a great day, nature day. Saw a deer, bunch of rabbit, squirrels, heron, bald eagle. Helped a little turtle get back to the water. Today was really nice. I needed that. What is so amazing about Oregon?